Hey everybody, this is Steve Nahuson and welcome to our very first on-site show of Make Me a Home. This is the house we bought at Maroochydore, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's pretty tight inside and also outside, and it's really screaming out for a renovation. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And we're going to get it back on the market as quickly as we possibly can. It settles in about 10 days' time. We do have early access, so we can get in and measure, do our design. Once the property actually settles, we get started as quickly as we possibly can. So let me start by introducing our team. First is Mark. Mark is a licensed plumber and he has some great contacts with trades here on the coast. He's really good at sniffing out deals as well on materials, which is really important these days. And he is going to be a really handy guy to have on this project with the amount of plumbing that we need to do. Cheryl, Mark's wife. Being married to a tradie, Cheryl certainly knows her way around a building site. She is really good with design ideas and she is a great contributor to our little team. The next is Jenny, and I'd have to say that Jenny is the boss. Jenny has professional qualifications in construction and project management, and she's also a certified interior designer as well. She has some great ideas with regards to layout as well as the design elements. She is leading this team in what's going to be a really interesting project for sure. Last but not least is yours truly. So I'm probably the least experienced of the group when it comes to working on a building site, but I actually do have a trade background. So I was an electrical fit mechanic back in my early days, and I still keep pretty handy on the tools as well. So just to let you know where things are at the moment. So yes, the property does settle in the next 10 days or so. We've actually pulled together our designs pretty quickly, but the delays were really around finding consultants and some of the people that we need to sort of take it to the next level. So right now we're just finalising house plans. We're getting a saw test done this week, and also we're getting some engineering drawings done for the footings, which will happen hopefully in the next few weeks, get into council and so on. But certainly after the property settles, we're going to be in here tidying up the yard, starting some of the demo work. There is a little bit of asbestos inside the house, so we've got to be very careful with what we touch and what we don't touch. But there certainly will be lots to keep us busy in the first week as we start preparing the house for its makeover. I'm sure the next couple of episodes you're going to see a lot of changes happening to this place, and I'm really glad you can join us on this journey. So this is Steve Nahuson signing off.